Okay, everyone, sticking with salt formation, there's 4 rules that you must know when neutralizing an acid. You can neutralize an acid with a metal on its own. If you use a metal on its own, then remember you're going to get a salt and you get hydrogen. In this case, I've used magnesium metal. I've dropped it into the acid. I'm going to see bubbles of gas. That will be the hydrogen, and left behind will be a solution of the salt, magnesium chloride. I can use a base. A base means any compound which can neutralize an acid. They're often oxides of metals. In this case, like in your required practical, we've used copper oxide and neutralized sulfuric acid because we wanted to make the salt called copper sulfate. The other product is water. Base plus acid makes salt plus water. An alkali is a special kind of base. It's a base that does dissolve, and that means you can measure its pH. Alkalis are caused by the hydroxide ion. So any compound which is a soluble hydroxide is also an alkali, and we can also call it a base. All alkalis are bases because they neutralize acids, but not all bases are alkalis because not all bases dissolve. Sodium hydroxide reacts with nitric acid and makes the salt sodium nitrate, and the other product is water. Finally, we can neutralize acids with a carbonate. A metal carbonate, for example calcium carbonate, will react with acid. I'm going to see bubbles, but this time the gas will be carbon dioxide. The salt, calcium chloride, and the other products, water and carbon dioxide. Make sure that you can recall the general formulas and write the names of any salts that are formed for these 4 ways of neutralizing an acid.